fixed deposits. After saving account, the next most popular banking product is fixed deposits. Fixed deposit means you are going to give certain amount of money called principal to a bank for a fixed period of time called the tenor of the deposit. The bank will offer you pre-specified interest rate on that. This interest amount, along with the original principal, is paid back to you at the end of the tenor. The sum of principal and interest is called the maturity value of the deposit. When you feel you have some surplus funds in your savings account, you may want to invest the surplus in a fixed deposit in order to earn a higher interest amount compared to the savings account. In doing so, you would lose little bit of flexibility as the funds will get locked up in the deposit till the maturity date of the deposit. How do you invest in a fixed deposit? You may visit the branch where you already have an account and let the bank know that you want to invest in a fixed deposit. The bank will tell you what interest rate they could pay for period ranging from 7 days to up to few years. You may choose the fixed deposit tenor depending upon how long would you like to invest your surplus fund and the quoted interest rates. Most banks' mobile apps will also allow you to invest in fixed deposits. Bank will accept the principal on the start date. This may be done by issuing a check to the bank or giving a written request asking the bank to debit your savings account held with them to create the deposit. You can also do the same by providing online instructions. The bank will repay your principal amount, which is the amount of money you are putting into this fixed deposit, along with the interest earned on the maturity date of the deposit. This may be credited back to your specified savings account. It is also possible to give an auto-renewal instruction so that the bank can renew the deposit on maturity for the same tenor at the then prevailing interest rate. Let's look at a simple example to understand this instrument. Let's say today is 1st of June. You would like to place 10,000 rupees in a fixed deposit starting 1st June for a period of 6 months. That is, the deposit will mature on the 1st of December. Assume interest rate offered by your bank is 8% per annum. The interest you will earn can be easily calculated using the formula PRT, where P is principal, that is 10,000, R is the interest rate, that is 8% per annum, or 8 divided by 100, and T is the tenor in years, which is 183 divided by 365. There are 183 days between 1st June and 1st December, and hence the tenor is 183 divided by 365. The tenor works out to 0.5014. Interest works out to 401.10. This is the interest we will earn by giving our money to the bank for a period of 6 months from 1st June till 1st December. The bank will credit your savings account with the maturity value, that is principal of 10,000 plus the interest of 401.10 equal to 10,401.10. Wasn't that very straightforward?